Quick, cozy, one-pot chicken and rice. Let's shop and start. About 1 pound of chicken, breasts or thighs, cut into bite-sized pieces. 1 cup of long-grain white rice. 2 cups chicken broth plus 1 cup whole milk, or 1 cup cream. 1 small onion chopped and 3 cloves of garlic, minced. 1 tablespoon olive oil, or butter. Spices. 1/2 teaspoon paprika. 1/2 teaspoon Italian seasoning, plus salt and pepper. Optional. 1/2 cup frozen peas or a few handfuls of spinach. We'll finish with grated Parmesan and a little parsley later. Heat a large pot over medium. Add the oil or butter until shimmery. Season the chicken with salt, pepper, paprika, and Italian seasoning. Toss to coat. Sear until golden on the edges. 3 to 4 minutes. Lift the chicken out to a plate. Keep those browned bits in the pot. Add the chopped onion. Sauté 1 to 2 minutes until translucent. Stir in the garlic for 30 to 60 seconds, just until fragrant. Add the rice and toast about a minute, coating every grain. Pour in 2 cups of broth. Then 1 cup milk or cream, either works. Scrape up the browned bits, deglaze for deep flavor. That's the base done. Next we'll simmer. Join me in the next chapter. Let's finish this up. Bring the mixture in the pot to a gentle simmer. You don't want a rolling boil, just some soft bubbles around the edges. Once it's simmering, add the browned chicken. Add all of its juices back into the pot. Give it one last gentle stir. Now, turn the heat down to low. Place a tight-fitting lid on your pot. Set a timer for 18 to 20 minutes. This is your time to relax. Let the pot do all the work. After about 18 minutes, it's time to check on our creation. The liquid should be mostly absorbed, and the rice should be tender. The chicken will be perfectly cooked through and incredibly juicy. If you are using those optional add-ins, now is the moment. Stir in 1/2 cup of frozen peas. Stir in a few handfuls of spinach. Just put the lid back on for a minute or 2. The residual heat will warm the peas and wilt the spinach perfectly. Give the dish a taste. Does it need more salt? A little more pepper? Now is the time to adjust. So, why will you fall in love with this meal? The #1 reason is the one-pot wonder of it all. Everything, from browning the chicken to simmering the rice, happens in a single vessel. This means cleanup is an absolute breeze. No pile of pans and bowls cluttering up your sink. This is a gift you give to your future self. It's the definition of low-stress cooking. It leaves you with more time to actually sit down and enjoy the meal with your family. It's a true weeknight game changer. This recipe is also incredibly budget-friendly and perfect for beginners. Chicken, rice, they are affordable and accessible. The steps are so straightforward. There are no complicated techniques here. It's a forgiving recipe. If the pot seems a little dry, add a splash more broth. If it seems too liquidy, just let it cook uncovered for another minute or 2. You can't mess this up. It's the kind of recipe that builds your confidence in the kitchen. It proves you can make something amazing and comforting from scratch. Now for the best part, serving. Spoon that warm, creamy chicken and rice onto a plate, or into a shallow bowl. Look at how luscious and rich it is. The rice is perfectly cooked, the chicken is tender, the sauce is just divine. It looks and smells like something from a cozy little restaurant. This is when you add your finishing touches. A generous sprinkle of grated Parmesan cheese on top will melt slightly into the warmth of the dish. It adds a salty, nutty flavor that is just irresistible. It takes the creaminess to a whole new level. For a final pop of color and freshness, add a little bit of chopped fresh parsley. It just brightens everything up. The green against the creamy white dish is so visually appealing. It's a simple garnish, but it makes the plate look complete and inviting. This is a meal that you eat with your eyes first. The soft color from the paprika gives the whole dish a gentle, warm hue. It's a beautiful presentation that required almost no extra effort. It's ready to be devoured. Think about the experience. This meal is the epitome of fast comfort food. It fills the house with the most welcoming aromas. It promises a cozy, satisfying dinner without any fuss. It's the perfect solution for those hectic days when you crave something wholesome but are short on time. It's a family-pleasing dish that even the pickiest eaters will love. It brings a sense of calm and togetherness to the dinner table. This is more than just a recipe. It's a routine you'll want to repeat week after week. So go on, try it tonight. Sit down and savor a warm, simple plate of pure comfort. Let each creamy, savory bite melt away the stresses of the day. This one-pot chicken and rice isn't just about feeding your family. It's about nourishing them, body and soul. It's a meal that says, I love you in the most delicious way possible. So go ahead, your new favorite dinner is waiting. Sit down and enjoy a warm, simple plate.